Hey everyone, my name's Fabio and we're here in the Hismile Research Centre today talking about tooth sensitivity. Specifically, what is sensitivity, how does it occur, and what can I do to actually prevent sensitivity from occurring again? So here I've got a basic diagram of the tooth. The tooth's made up of 3 layers. We've got the protective layer of enamel, which is up the top here. We've got the more delicate inner layer of dentin. And then we've got the innermost layer of pulp. Now the pulp is where all of your nerve endings are situated, and it's actually what's responsible for experiencing that pain and sensitivity. So if we jump over here, we've got the outer layer of enamel, we've got the inner layer of dentin, and then the most inner layer of pulp. Now the layer of dentin actually has these things called dentinal tubules. They look like these big cylinders that run from the top of the dentin down into the pulp, and situated on the pulp are the nerve endings. So down here. Now the enamel is made up predominantly of hydroxyapatite and is actually the hardest substance in the human body, and it's what's responsible for keeping those external factors out so that no pain and sensitivity is occurring. Now what happens over time is the enamel gradually demineralizes, which means that it's losing those really important minerals that are responsible for protecting your tooth. This can occur from an acidic diet, tooth trauma, maybe brushing your teeth too hard, or even types of teeth whitening treatments as well. What happens is, if too much demineralization occurs, it leaves these gaps in the enamel where now external factors can make their way into the tooth and interact with the nerve ending situated on the pulp. So that's essentially how sensitivity is occurring, because those little nerve endings are triggering a response to your brain, which is telling your brain that there's pain occurring. Now to prevent this, you can use different types of remineralizing treatments, such as forms of fluoride, or you can use a type of hydroxyapatite that actually helps to put the minerals back into your enamel to fill these potholes and prevent those external factors from making their way into the tooth and interacting with that nerve ending. So the deflection that happens here is a great way to prevent sensitivity from occurring or relieve the pre-existing sensitivity that you've got. So that's it from me. Stay tuned next time. We'll cover another topic here in the Hismile Research Centre.